Hello, this is Jason again. I made this spatula. I brought for this spatula with a two blades on it, so I can cut meat and vegetables. I don't have to dirty some dishes up, just and save some time washing dishes.
He was present. Of course he was present. And in fact, the missing reference in the call letter to Burisma was a signal.
See, you want to slice through that cardboard. I mean, real easy. So this is a I spent all day sharpening this. I mean, so. So. This is a good idea tool for modification. I mean, you can use it in the bush, or camping, or prepping, or whatever. But I'm not going to call it a tactical spatula. It's just a spatula.
Thank you for the invitation. On the other hand, I want to assure you that we will be very serious about the case and we will work on the investigation.
She went through two of them, two pieces of cardboard.
Clearly understood the quid pro quo for the White House meeting on July 25th. But his reticence to be used as a political pawn kept President Trump from moving forward with a promise to schedule the meeting. And so,
see,
the president and his agents pressed on. In August, Giuliani
it's a good tool.
made it clear that Ukraine must issue a public
Excuse me, I didn't have no time to put a shirt on because this is my house. I don't care.
Fearful of getting involved in U.S. domestic politics and having entered office with a promise to clean up government and corruption, President Zelensky and his aides preferred a generic statement about investigations. But Giuliani insisted the statement must include two specific investigations that would benefit President Trump. Let's look at a comparison between the statement
Nice.
the Ukrainians preferred and the one that Giuliani required. So on the left, and I will read it in case you can't see the screens, the draft, the Yermak draft, the Ukrainian draft, says we intend to initiate a complete, transparent, and unbiased investigation of all available facts and episodes, which in turn will prevent the recurrence of
So,
in the future.
this is a good tool to have. I mean, you have a good day. Bye.